Hello, here is arriving a full truck of Siberia for our treasure customers. Good quality, a nice lot, full boxes, good routing, big bulbs. We are very happy to receive them now for you, and we are doing our best to prepare them and process them well in a good way. Washing, disinfection, and first we start with a quality check. Hello, welcome everybody. Here we are at the Lily checking department. Hans, our checking, our quality inspector. Kees is on his business trip, so together we are strong. Here we have the variety Siberia 1820. And yeah, this year the harvesting is rather smoothly. We have nice weather, no rainfall. The growers can proceed in an easy way. They even have to stop sometimes if the plants are fully matured. So that goes very well. And that we can see from the bulbs also. So now we start checking. Yeah. What we are checking here, Hans, what is the...
First of all, we check if they are clean or they have to be washed.
Oh yeah.
So...
Yeah, and that's especially important for the countries with strict regulations for the soil. So for Eastern Europe it's no problem, but for Asia or Mexico or Colombia, then the bulbs must be perfectly clean.
So we check inside the bulbs, like here. You see soil over there and a little bit of soil over here.
And
so
between the roots.
In the rooting it's also soil, so these must be washed. So this is what we put on the checklist. And we say it's clean or it's ground. A ground is washing. So and now the next checking is, or the scales are like this.
Oh yeah, for scale rot, and for damage of the bulbs. Eh?
Yes, like this, you see, and then we have to check about how much it is.
Like basically, this is a very nice lot. Eh? You see many beautiful bulbs, good quality, no damage, nice healthy bulbs. And then we're checking for the double nose.
As well.
It also looks good in this one.
Yes, but we check. First we check the damage of the scales. So this looks rather good. So we give them a small percentage because this one is damaged and we saw another one damaged. We give them a small percentage. And then we check the length of the rooting. We get a couple of bulbs, we check. About this one is about 4 centimeters. This one has a better rooting. This may be even more than 10, you see. So we take an average. So I think the rooting is from 4 to 11
centimeter. So that's nice, eh?
So we say 4 to 11, and that's a good rooting. Now we look at the sprout.
Yeah, and you also mentioned a good rooting. You also look the general impression of the roots, eh? Not only the centimeters.
Yes.
Yeah. And that also looks very good.
Yes.
These are nice roots. It's not only 1 or 2 roots, but it's a nice... Okay, the next one is the sprout.
So we get one bulb and we cut in 2, and then we check the sprout. You see? We measure the sprout. It's about 12 millimeters. How much is this?
Yeah, so and Hans so checks from the bottom of the sprout. Like this is the bulb bottom part, and here it starts the measuring. So that is the height. And then you also check the location in the sprout, in the bulb.
Yes.
So it's 1, 2, 3. So this one is.
This one is, for me, is middle.
Yeah, that means 2.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's the height in the sprout inside the bulb.
So now we get 10 bulbs. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah.
So,
That's
again.
just at random. So
5, and then we check the size. They all should be 18 plus.
18, 20.
18, 20. This is 20 plus. This is 18. This is 20 plus. This one is 19. This one is 19. This one is 20 plus. So this one is 19. This one is 20 plus.
Oh, this is
this
very,
one is 19.
it's a very big size.
And this one is 19. So we have one 18, one 5 19, and 4 20 plus.
So that means basically 10% 18, 19, 50% 19, 20, and 40% 20 plus. So 40% is too big. So this is a very good delivery, especially in this year, because in general the growing is a little bit less in Holland, because we had a lot of rainfall this spring, a delayed planting for the 1 year's growing, the 2 years growing. There were problems with night frost or hail or the botrytis because of the rainfall. So this is a very good delivery. So that's very nice.
So now we check how much is in a box.
Oh yeah, the number of bulbs per box.
I'm
If
sorry,
the quantity is correct.
I also get 5 random for the testing.
The test greenhouse. So that we take immediately after arrival of the bulb. So before our processing, these bulbs is for our test greenhouse. Yeah. Like here you see some old stem, for example, but that's almost nothing. So this is a very nice lot.
I think this is a good delivery.
Yeah, this is a nice delivery. I'm a good grower. Well, we buy many years already.
It should be 150. Minus 6. So this one is a delivery plus 3.
Yeah, so that's good. That's a nice quantity.
So now I say this is good. Push the button twice and the cards are coming.
Oh yeah, oh the labels are coming. So then this lot can continue in the process. The people of the cleaning, they know that they have to be washed carefully. And then after that it can continue in the whole process. So very good, Hans. Thank you very much for the good explanation.
Of course, you're welcome.
Do you have some general opinion or feeling about the delivery so far?
I think the delivery so far is the sizes are bigger than we buy. So
Oh yeah.
a good delivery about size, but some deliveries have problems with the routing.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's a little bit difficult sometimes.
But I think it looks more healthy than it looks last year. No water damage.
Right.
So less scale damage, because last year the harvest circumstances were difficult. But this year, like Jan explained, the circumstances are better. I think good quality so far.
No, thank you very much, Hans.
You're welcome, of course.
And we have confidence this season for the good start and the good finish.
Yeah.
Okay, so after inspecting the bulbs, and the bulbs have to be washed, then first we put them under the shower to make the soil loose, and that we do for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, so that the bulbs are good wet and the soil is nice loose. And after that, it's depending on how dirty the bulbs are, we put them in the other washing machine. We have two options, these big turning machines and one other machine where we do per box. That are the most dirty bulbs actually. So we have different options in time and in machines, how we process the washing to make them perfectly clean and safe without damaging for your import inspection. Yeah. After washing, we put the bulbs in our cool room for about 2 days at 2 degrees, so that the water is sinking a little bit, that they dry up a little bit, so that after for packing, that they can absorb the medicines in the good way, and that we have the stable effect for that. And actually this year the results were very good. There are almost no quality problems from our company, no scale rot, no penicillium. It's really minimum, so we're very happy, and these steps are very important for them. After washing and drying back a little bit, the bulbs come here to our packing facilities, packing line. From this year we have a new piling and a depiling machine automatically from Akerboom, so that we save the labor here and that we make it more efficient for the whole packing line. You see the boxes are controlled, all the details, and it works very efficient and very fluent. And then the boxes are turned around and come to our packing machine. And in the packing machine there is the dipping into the medicines. It's a very important part, and it's also very important to prevent the later penicillium development. So to protect the bulb, this is an LA hybrid. And then through the bath, through the disinfection, it comes out later, it comes out there. Then the bulbs are disinfected well. And here they are mixed with the peat moss and put in the box. In the box on the bottom there is the peat moss already. And then in the third step, then they are covered by the peat moss. You see the nice full boxes. We still pay attention by hand. So this machine is not fully automatically by our good staff for many years. So each box gets a good attention. And then here we have a unit to put the plastic in it in the correct way. And then finally there is a small press just to touch. Everything will be okay. So here we have our piling machine, and that is connected directly with our computer system, with the tablet. with the printer, so real time we know exactly in our computer the processing, the variety, the item, the lot number, etc. So thank you very much for checking our import process, our packing process, our whole Lily process. We are doing our best for the good quality, for the good lot, and we rely on a safe arrival of the bulbs to you. Thank you very much.